What's up, Wayne Barron here with ArchFix.net, and we are inside of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and we're going to be installing the brand new Microsoft Windows 10, which is it's not really out to the public or to purchase. You can actually download it. All you need is a Microsoft account, Windows Hotmail, or Live account. So, first thing we want to do here is come up here to our machine. Go to File, go to Preferences, and on our General tab, we want to have the Windows 10 installer. Okay, you can leave it at default, which is going to be your C drive. I choose to put it on a different drive space altogether. Now I want to come all the way down to extension, and you want to click here, right here, and add in this extension, and it will install it. Go to your network. You also want to add in a network card. That way it can be utilized within your virtual machine or your virtual operating system. Let's go ahead and choose update, leave that default, click OK. Let's come over here to new, and we're going to name this Win 10. We're going to choose Windows 8.1 64-bit, click on next. Put this at about 3. Alright, and now just click on next and create a virtual hard drive, click on next, and then we want to leave this as a VDI, click on next. We want it to be dynamically, that way it will grow in size as it's needed. Click on next. We want to set this at 75 gigs. We've got 110 on this drive, so let's click on next, and it just created our drive, which is right here. Okay, so now let's come over here and double click on it, and we're going to click over here for our browse. And then I've got it sitting inside of my backup drive, Windows 10. Double click here, click on Start. I'm going to leave all this default because this is where I'm at. Let's click on Next, and we're going to choose Install Now. It's got basically the same interface as Windows 8, but I read that it's got more of a Windows 7 vibe to it than a Windows 8, and so which is really cool. You get the start menu back that you're used to in Windows 7, and you get also the extra part of the Windows 8 start menu. So that's going to be very interesting to see, and I would love to have another operating system. I do use Windows 7. It is my primary operating system. We want to accept the license agreement. We want to click on Next. We want to do a custom install Windows only. Okay, we got 75 gigs. We're going to click on New. We're going to click on Apply. Are you sure you want Windows features work correctly? Windows might create additional partitions. Click OK. So we're going to go to Next, and we're going to let it install. Okay, we are now on our customize screen, which actually looks like more of a web page than it does anything else. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to choose customize instead of use express settings. Let's go ahead and choose customize. Let's see what we've got going on. I use mine for home and work, so that's what we're going to choose. Update your on as well. Click on next. Default right now. If anything needs to be changed, I'm pretty sure that we can change that after the installation as well. Next, you'll set up your account. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to sign into our Microsoft account. You can either sign into one or you can create one. So we're just going to sign into my one that I already have. Okay, click on next. Okay, and it's just letting us know how help us protect your info when accessing sensitive info from your account or device. Basically, if you got a backup email address hooked into your Microsoft account, then that's basically what this is saying. And so we're going to leave that as so. To verify that this email address, enter it below, and well, click. We're going to click on next. Alrighty, we are on the desktop now, and yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to get this screen where it's supposed to be at. Let's right click, go to screen resolution, and we're gonna move this thing up to 1612. Click apply. We're gonna keep changes. I don't even see the bottoms. That's just, something's totally not right here. So let's go to 1280 by 1024. Click apply on that. Keep changes. Click OK. At least now we can see the bottom.